The craziest people in lighting, TCP, what are they up to now? Well, they sent me a package. Make sure you check out TCPI, and let's see what they've got in the package here. 4 foot long, which is very common in the lighting world. Open it up inside, and it's got some LED tubes, nicely spaced with foam in between for safe shipping. But what do I see when I get to the tube itself? Well, it's 4 foot long. That's good. That's common. Single or double-ended, which is necessary. 13.5 watt. Bypass the ballast, which we all love. But you know what they do? You know how crazy they are? They make it so it's Kelvin selectable, color selectable, right on the tube itself. 35K, 4K, and 5K can all be selected on the end of the tube. I can't tell you how many times I've been to a customer and I put in LED tubes and you get to them and they say, you know, those are a little whiter than I wanted, or maybe a little yellower than I was hoping for. Then you have to change the whole tube. Not anymore. With TCP, it's 3 tubes in one. Put it in, start with the color you want, change it if you need to with the flick of a switch. Craziest people in lighting, TCP, that's tcpi.com. Check them out.